Principals are supposed to review approximately 70 to 80 areas during the week. They might be of various nature, academic, it might be co-curricular. It's a complete holistic schooling. Today we are going to be covering how a principal can review the assembly. When it comes to review, principal will go at random and see at what time assembly is starting. How are the students standing? What is the discipline position? How the prefects are standing? How the stage is being organized? In assembly, what are the different areas like news, general knowledge, prayer, national anthem, how they're being covered, how students are looking, are they talking to each other, do they remember what notices have been given to them in the assembly. The principal is also going to be monitoring the theme of the assembly. It's a weekly theme or a monthly theme. Principal will also be monitoring whether each and every student of the school is participating in morning assembly or not. Are they getting a chance to come to the stage? There are various principals, those who ensure that a drum is being played by some other student, synthesizer by other student, news by some other student. So we need to see whether all the students are, and all the students of all the classes are participating or not. Then principal has to see and check and meet the assembly in charges to find out whether on the special day, festival or celebrations, the special assembly is conducted or not. There may be times where presentations are to be given. There are days a planning can be done where guests can be invited, those who can come and speak in front of the students. There might be small plays, skits, and a lot of other things which can be done. It is not that the principal has to review all of these things in one day, but at least few items have to be checked when in principal's diary task grid assembly review is there. I'm sure you must have understood. You can add on unlimited things over here, but I'm sure you have understood how to review a morning assembly when it comes to morning assembly. There are teams which we can make, assembly in charges. We need to see the prefects, we need to see the class monitors. And when assembly review is there, you go and see it and meet the team if required to take corrective actions. I'm sure this diary is helping you and going to take you a long way. Thank you.